Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. This is going to be a short video, guys. I just want to introduce you guys to the new system that the Six Figure Stamp Club has now. Everything is online. So, if you have already been a member, if you're already a member, you're probably waiting to receive an email from the company with your login and password. That's the only way that you can get into the new system, okay? If you're already a member. And if you're not a member yet, well, you're a member, you may be waiting, you just sent your money in and you're waiting, wondering, well, what do I do? What happens next? You're going to receive an email, guys. That's how you're going to be activated going forward, okay? When you join the Six Figure Stamp Club going forward, you will get an email from the company saying, hey, here's your password and your login, okay? And that's how you're going to be activated, okay? And then you'll get your dashboard. You'll go here, okay, with your dashboard. Hang on a second here. Okay, so you get your dashboard and you go in here and you set up everything. A video is going to pop up as soon as you log in, telling you to watch this first, and that's what you want to do, is watch the video first to show you how to get everything set up. But you will have to create an account to get set up, and this stuff is not accurate. They're still logging in members and updating this system, so if you're looking at these numbers, don't even worry about that. It's not accurate. But at any rate, I just want to show you that the system is up and running. So when you click my link below, you're going to go through my system, then you go over to Six Figure Stamp Club, my link, so that you can create an account so that you can join. Okay, so that's very important. You have to create an account, and once you do that, go check your email. It's probably sitting in spam because they're going to confirm your email address. Okay, so it has to be confirmed. So make sure you check your spam folder in your junk folder to see if you have an email from Six Figure Stamp Club. Okay, that's very, very important, because I know everybody's kind of scattered everywhere right now, wondering, well, what do I do? You know, I just paid, or I'm a member and I still haven't, I don't know what to do. You're going to get an email from Six Figure Stamp Club, okay, with your password and login. That's how everybody's going to be activated. And going forward, what will happen is, if you want to join, you're going to go to the person that you join's website, and you're going to print that letter out. Hang on, let me see if I can get it over there. Okay, my understanding is the person that you join, if they're not at all levels, you're only going to see the letter of the level that they joined at. I'm at the Pearl level, so I have all letters here. So let's say you wanted to choose the red level. I'm going to have to log out. Hang on a second. Okay, so say you're here, and then you click create your account. Okay, and then here is my link that's in there already. Then you just create your account, guys, from here. Okay, all your information, just fill out all this information here and register. Okay, and it's going to take you to that letter, and that's where you're going to print the letter out of the level that you want to join at. Okay, they have some great capture pages back here. I'm going to show you that in a second, but let's see if we can get to that letter. Hold on. Okay, I wanted you to see this. See how this pops up as soon as you log in? It says watch this video. So you want to watch that once you get your login and you actually log in. Let's see. Hold on. I'm not going to see it because I'm already a member, but I just want to let you see what it looks like, though. Here's mine. Let's see if we can get it to come. There it goes. Okay, I already put my website on there. Once I logged into my back office, mailorderfreedomclub.com. And here is the letter. Let's take a look at it. It's a 2-page letter, guys, so you don't have to worry about 4 letters anymore. It's 1 letter. I'd recommend doing just front and back to save, on paper. But you can try and test it how you want to test it, but that's what I would do. I'm personally actually going to do the postcards. Hang on. Okay, so here we go. It's 2 pages, as you can see right here. There's people there, and then there's a little testimony. And then they give you the spiel right here. And they tell you you can get paid 50, 150, 300, or 1,000. That's how that works. As you can see, there's my domain on there, Mail Order Freedom Club. And it tells you create your free account. Okay? So that's how that's going to work. So when you go to my site, you pick those, whatever letter, what level red, blue, black, pearl, and then you get my letter, and you're going to print 3 copies of that letter out. Okay, it's an order form. We haven't gotten to that part, but I can't see it because I'm already in. But the order form will tell you what to do once you get to that letter that, the level that you're going to select. Okay, that's how that's going to work. So create your account. Make sure you do that. That's very important and very critical, because when it's time for you to get set up, you need to be able to log in. So you got to create an account to be able to log in. Okay, and just make sure you watch your email and check your spam and junk folder to see if it's in there. Okay, so that's how that's working. But we're in transition of this, so that's why a lot of things are kind of off right now. But it should be probably running smoothly, I would imagine, this week, because I literally just got my login, and I've been in the program for a few weeks now. So they've got to manually log everybody in and create an account and password. So that's why that's looking that way. And people are kind of disshuffled right now. But that's how that works. But here is the new letter, guys. Okay, 2 pages. Looks pretty good. I'm going to get this printed out so that I can see how. And then they also have postcards, guys. You're going to be able to use the postcards as well. Everybody's always excited about that. So let me show you those as well. Hang on a second. You'll order them from your back office. Okay, see right here in your back office once you log in. Postcard order form. Okay, and what's so great about it, guys, when someone orders postcards, the company's going to give everybody $25, okay, from that, which is pretty cool. Hang on a second, let's pull up the postcards. Okay, here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4 different postcards you can choose from. You go back there, click the order form. You can order 100, 250, or 500. Okay, very reasonable. And like I said, you get $25 every time one of your members orders postcards from their back office. So I think that's pretty neat. Let's see what else we got. Okay, let's see. We've got a few landing pages. Here's one. I like that one. Okay, here's another one. Okay, here's another one. Okay, so pretty nice, guys. So this is a all-in-one system here. So I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and join me in the 6-Figure Stamp Club, and I'm matching whatever the company is giving you. I'm going to match it, but you got to come in at the blue level or higher, okay? Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Guys, have a blessed day.